30 days. That's all it takes to change your life, if you stop doing what's easy. Right now, you're not stuck. You're just repeating the same habits, the same patterns, the same excuses. Fix these 10, and you won't recognize yourself in a month. No motivation, no shortcuts, just brutal habits that force growth. Wake up early. Early start is controlled. No phone, no noise. Just you deciding how your day begins. Do the hard things first. The task you keep avoiding, do that first. Because every time you delay it, you train yourself to hesitate. And every time you face it, you build strength. Cut the cheap dopamine. Scrolling, junk content, endless distractions. It feels harmless, but it's destroying your focus. The more easy pleasure you consume, the harder real work feels. Cut it out, and your brain starts working again.